it's Shu here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw this running mannequin, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. I'm going to pencil this in with an oval like that, kind of leaning over. It looks like an olive or something, doesn't it? And that might be quite hard to see. Let me shade that while I do this. And then the body is going to come down like that, and then we're going to want to have the arms in a like little arrow there, and then another little arrow pointing down for that arm, and then the front leg will be running out like that, and then the back leg will be kicking up like that, and that's all we really need to do for a plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the head. So this is a wooden mannequin, which is kind of, the head is sort of something like that, maybe a little kind of nose thing up the front there as well. And then that is held onto the body with a ball joint. And then let's come to the shoulder, and I'm going to draw a little circle there, and then bring the torso all the way down there, and then that'll be the shoulder, and we'll have a ball joint there. So this is at the front and that's there, so it's kind of going around the back, so we can maybe put like a little chest in there like that. If you ever get stuck, don't forget, hit the space bar to stop the video. You can stop and rewind and watch again as many times as you like. So then this is the upper arm into a ball joint for the elbow, which comes down to the wrist, and then we want another oval there for the hand. And here we can do the same thing with this, like tubes with balls on the end, aren't they? So we can do that, and then another oval on the end for the hand. Now here we're going to have a bigger ball joint like that, and then we want to have a kind of a boxy kind of pelvis bit there, and there'll be a ball joint underneath there and a ball joint underneath there. So we can now come forwards to the knee, down to the ankle, and then we can draw a triangle at the bottom for the foot. Here we come down to the knee and up to the ankle, and then down to the foot. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines, and no one will know how you did it and got it in the right position and all that kind of thing. And we can maybe put some shadow in there. So that's just going to be kind of a scribbly kind of shadow like that. We can put an horizon line there, so he's actually kind of running down the road, and you might want to add some little speedy kind of whoosh lines as well, and maybe on the foot there. And then all you have to do is to colour in a wooden kind of colour, and then maybe some lines to give it that kind of wood effect as well. And there you go, how to draw a running mannequin. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.